Good morning students. Today I am teaching you a pair of linear equation in two variables, chapter 3. Okay. In previous class you have learned about linear equation in two variables. Okay. And about a graph of linear equation. In this chapter we shall learn about a various method of solving a pair of linear equation in two variables. First of all, I am telling you the standard form of linear equation in two variables. A pair of linear equations in two variables. A pair of linear equations in two variables. Chapter 3. Okay. Standard form. Standard form. Standard form. A1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. A2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. This is the standard form, a pair of linear equations, two variables. Here a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2 are constant. And x and y are variables. Okay, here the power of x and power of y is 1, so it is a linear equation, and this equation has two variables, so it is called linear equation in two variables. Okay, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2 are real numbers. So therefore a1 square plus b1 square is not equals to 0, and a2 square plus b2 square is not equals to 0. a1 square plus b1 square is not equals to 0, and a2 square plus b2 square is not equals to 0. Today I am telling you the solving of a pair of linear equations. Let us start exercise 3.1, chapter 3. Question number 1. The question number 1 is, Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Isn't this interesting? Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Okay. आफ्ताब tells his daughter, आफ्ताब अपनी डॉटर को कहता है 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were, and also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. आफ्ताब अपनी डॉटर से कहता है कि 7 years ago मैं तुमसे 7 times बड़ा था, और 3 years बाद मैं तुमसे 3 times बड़ा हो जाऊंगा. इस सिचुएशन को algebraically और graphically रिप्रेजेंट करना है. There are two characters. First is Aftab and other is daughter of the Aftab, his daughter. Okay, we assume let Aftab's present age dx लेट करेंगे आफ्ताब की प्रेजेंट इज x एंड his daughter's present is by. Okay, now case first. The case first is he tells his daughter कि 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were. 7 years ago the Aftab's age was x minus 7 and his daughter age was y minus 7. Okay, we want to put here equal sign. Okay, equal sign. इक्वल कैसे करें? आफ्ताब की 7 years अगो की एज है, ये डॉटर की एज है. इस समय आफ्ताब 7 टाइम्स ओल्ड था 7 टाइम्स. तो डॉटर की एज को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो वो किसके इक्वल हो जाएगी? आफ्ताब की एज के इक्वल हो जाएगी. नाउ solve the equation x minus 7 equals to 7y minus 49 और x minus 7y equals to minus 49 plus 7. शिफ्ट करेंगे 7y पे शिफ्ट किया minus 7y minus 7 पे शिफ्ट किया plus 7. So x minus 7y equals to minus 42. This is equation 1. Case second. From 3 years now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. 3 years from now, the Aftab age will be x plus 3 and daughter age will be y plus 3. Okay. Now at this time, the Aftab is 3 times old. So we multiply by 3 the daughter's age and up. At this time, the age of Aftab is equals to his daughter's age. When we multiply the daughter's age by 3, x plus 3 equals to 3y plus 3 3s are 9. Shift करें minus 3y plus 9 plus 3 shift करें minus 3. X minus 3y equals to 6. This is equation number 2. Now algebraic representation. This is the algebraic representation. X minus 7y equals to minus 42 and x minus 3y equals to 6. This is the algebraic representation. Okay, now we represent graphically. How can we represent graphically? Let us see. From equation 1, x minus 7y equals to minus 42. So x equals to minus 42 minus 7y को शिफ्ट करेंगे plus 7y. Now we have to find 3 solution of this equation. First of all, we can put y equals to 6. Putting y equals to 6. y equals to 6 पुट करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा x equals to minus 42 plus 7 into 6. Minus 42 plus 42. That is 0. So x की value we get x equals to 0. We can put y equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 as you want. The value of y की वैल्यू आप जो चाहे वो पुट कर सकते हैं। ये हमने y इक्वल टू 6 पुट किया है, तो x की वैल्यू आ गई, x इक्वल टू 0 आ गया। तो y इक्वल टू -5, so x equals to -42 plus 7 into 5, x equals to -42 plus 35 minus 7. If we taking y equals to 5, then we get x equals to -7. Now putting y equals to 7 in equation, then x equals to -42 plus 7 into 7, so x equals to -42 plus 49, so x equals to 7. तो y equals to 7 पुट किया तो x equals to हो जाएगा 7. ओके, सेम प्रोसीजर अप्लाई करेंगे सेकंड इक्वेशन में, और 3 पॉइंट्स हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 2. x minus 3y equals to 6, so x equals to 6 plus 3y. First of all, placing y equals to 0. If we take y equals to 0, so x equals to 6 plus 3 into 0, so x equals to 6 plus 0 equals to 6. y की वैल्यू 0 पुट करेंगे, x की वैल्यू 6 आ जाएगी. ओके, नाउ प्लेसिंग y equals to -1, so x equals हो जाएगा 6 minus plus 3 into -1, 6 minus 3 equals to 3. Placing y equals to 1, so x equals to 6 plus 3 into 1, 6 plus 3, that is 9. If we placing y equals to 1 in equation, in this equation, then we get x equals to plus 9. So 3 solutions, we get 3 solution of equation 1 and 3 solution of equation 2. Now we plot a graph of the following equations. You have to plotted the graph in previous class for one equation. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. This is origin, point of intersection of these two axes. Now scale on x-axis, scale 1 year equals to 1 centimeter, and on y-axis 1 year equals to 1 centimeter. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. X-axis, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and 1, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and -7. Okay, and -1. First point is 0, 6. We can draw the graph for equation 1. 0, 6. 0, 6. X coordinate 0 and y coordinate is 6. 0, 6. This is 0. This point is 0, 6. -7, 5. -7, 5. This is -7 and this is 5. -7, 5 and 7, 7. 7. This point is 7 on x-axis. We move on x-axis 7 and on y-axis 7. X coordinate is 7 and y coordinate is 7. And now join the points, we get a line. Okay, this equation is x minus 7y plus 42 equals to 0. Now for second equation we will plot the graph 6, 0. This is 6, 0. 3, -1. 3, -1 and 9, 1. X coordinate is 9 and y coordinate is 1. 9, 1. Okay, this is the graph of the equation x . This is the graph of the equation, second equation. Okay, so this is the graphical representation . Of the linear equation in two variables. Okay, now the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Okay, later she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind, rupees 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Exercise 3.1, question number 2. Let cost of 1 bat be x and cost of 1 ball be y. Case first. According to condition first, what is condition? The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats. The cost of 1 bat is x, so cost of 3 bat will be 3x and cost of 6 ball will be 6y and total cost is 3,900. This is equation 1. 1 बैट की कॉस्ट x है तो 3 बैट की कॉस्ट 3x रहेगी। 1 बॉल की कॉस्ट y है तो 6 बॉल की कॉस्ट 6y होगी और दोनों की टोटल कॉस्ट है 3900। केस सेकेंड, let us see buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind rupees 1300. Now cost of one bat is x and cost of 3 balls is 3y equals to 3900. This is equation number 2. Okay, this is the algebraic representation of the situation, of this situation. Okay, now we represent the graphically of this situation from equation 1. This is the algebraically representation. From equation 1, 3x plus 6y equals to 3900. Here 3 is common. We can divide the equation by 3. Divide the equation. Dividing the equation by 3. So we get x plus 2y equals to 1300. This is equation. Now x equals to 1300 minus 2y. Now we find out any 2 or 3 solution of this equation. We may place y equals to 600. Placing y equals to 600. So x equals to 1300 minus 2 into 100. 2 into 600. So x equals to 1300 minus 1200. So x equals to 100. Placing y equals to 500. So x equals to 1300 minus 2 into 500. 1300 minus 1000, we get 300. 500, 300. Okay. Now for equation 2, from equation 2, x plus 3y equals to 1300. So x equals to 1300 minus 3y. Now we find out 2 solutions of this equation. Okay, we may place y equals to 400. 4 3 is 12. 1300 minus 1200 is 100, and we may place y equals to 300. So we get x equals to 400. Now 2 solutions of this equation we get and 2 solution of the equation number 2. Okay, now we plot the graph for the same representation. This situation, this is the algebraically representation. Okay, now we represent it by graphically. So taking equation 1, 2x plus y equals to 160. So y equals to 160 minus 2x. Okay. X and y. Taking x equals to 70 or 50 or 40 as you want. You can take any value of x, and you may get any value of corresponding value of y. 50, this is the 60. If we place x equals to 50 in this equation, we get y equals to 160 minus 2 into 50. 160 minus 160. Y equals to 60. If we placing x equals to 60, then we get y equals to 160 minus 120, 40. Okay. Now from equation 2, 4x plus 2y equals to 300. We can divide the whole equation by 2. Dividing the equation, by 2, so 2x plus y equals to 150, so y equals to 150 minus 2x. Now find out two solutions. This is x and y. Placing x equals to 50, then y equals to 150 minus 2 into 50, 150 minus 150. Placing x equals to 60, y equals to 150 minus 2 into 60, 150 minus 120, 30. X equals to 60, then y equals to 30. Now we plot the graph. There are two solutions for equation first and other two solutions of the equation 2. For the equation 2. Now this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. This is the origin. Scale rupees 10 equals to 1 centimeter. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. First point is 50, 60. X coordinate is 50 and y coordinate is 60. 50 and 60. This is the first point for first equation. And 60, 40. This is 60 and this is 40. This is 50, 60 and 60, 40. This is the graph for first equation. Now for second equation 50, 50. This is the 50, 50. and this is the 60/30. This is the graph for the second equation, 4x plus 2y equals 300. The cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Representation this situation graphically and geometrically. Okay. Now question number 3. We let the cost of 1 kg apple and 1 kg grapes. Let the cost of 1 kg apples be x and 1 kg grapes be y. Case first. Now the cost of 2 kg of apples, 1 kg, cost of 1 kg apples is x. So cost of 2 kg apples will be 2x and cost of 1 kg grapes be y. So total cost 2x plus y equals to 160. This is case first. And case second, the cost of 4 kg of apples. The cost of 1 kg apples be x, so will be the cost of 4 kg apples will be 4x. And cost of 2 kg grapes will be 2y. The total cost is rupees 300. This is equation of this situation. Okay. Now this is the algebraical representation. Algebraical. Here two solutions for equation 1. And other two solution of equation, other equation. 100, 400, 400, 300. Now this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is horizon. This is the positive direction of x-axis, negative direction of x-axis, positive direction of y-axis, and negative direction of y-axis. Okay. Now scale, taking scale 100 rupees 100 equals to 1 centimeter on both axes. On axis. Okay. This is 100, 200, 300, 400, and this is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. First of all, first coordinate of first point 100 and 600. 100 and 600. This is 100 and this is 600. 300 and 500. 300 and 500. So this is the graph of the equation 3x plus 6y equals to 3900. Now the graph for the other equation. Now we plot the point whose coordinate are 100 and 400, 100 and 400, and 400 and 300. X plus 3y equals to 1300. Okay, now this is the graphical representation